Súbeme. It's a really great song. So we're going to break it down again with the steps, and then we'll go right into dancing. So we start at the beginning. We step out right. We point out right, left, hit, hit. This is my song. And it goes right, left, arms going to come up, and hips going to go around 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 salsa steps right and right. We go right and left, right. It repeats. And arm, arm, pa, pa, arm, arm, hip 7, 8, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Basic salsa up there, side to side, arms this way, right here in front of the body. Good. You can have much supple or much feeling or much flavor as you like right there. Section 2, so it's a little bit more tricky. You have this little side step. So if we step with the right foot, the left foot is going to cross and hit, cross, and then we're going to turn our body. Yeah? So facing the front, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the shoulder, bring that booty back, left foot back. 5, 6, 7, 8. The left. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 4. We're going to put the shoulder, right foot back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the booty comes back to where you came from. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel free to use as much booty there as you can. Fantastic. Section 3, we have a little quick step. So it's a little salsa grapevine with a little accent. So it goes to the right, up, diagonal, and diagonal. It goes 1 and 2, tap, 3 and 4, tap. Okay, so it's just right, cross in front, right, tap, left, cross in front, left, tap. Then we come back for 4, tap, 3, tap, 2, tap, 1, tap. And arms are going to be pumping out like this. So right together we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Now it's time to learn a little bridge. A nice slow step here. The feet are just going step together, step together, step together, step together. And we're just going to add different arms. So it starts step together, the hands maybe across the body here, left arm, right hand's in front, which is shaking now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very important where we are. We're saying right here 5, 6, 7, 8. I just want to love you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll never leave you. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first one is a little no, no, no. Then I'm staying here. I love you. I'm not going to leave. Okay? So it starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats. And we go right back into the chorus, and then we finish with our little grapevine salsa going up. So we go back to the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. Ta, 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 and arm, arm, pa, 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 arm, arm, around. We go. Ta, 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 pa, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, tap, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And turn that radio up. Let's dance it.